Tired of real estate clients who are more confused than confident? Let's transform you into the market savvy agent everyone trusts in just 90 seconds. First, nail your key metrics. We're talking median home price. Why euro? Is it up, down, or holding steady? Show this data clearly. Then, present inventory levels. Low inventory favors sellers. High favors buyers. Use charts and graphs to show trends. Next, zoom in on local trends. What's happening in specific neighborhoods? Are condos hot, or are families seeking larger homes with yards? Reference local news, school ratings, and community developments that impact demand. Now, analyze the why. Interest rates play a huge role. Are they climbing, stable, or dropping? How do these rates impact affordability? Also, touch on the economic factors. Job growth and local business investments all affect the market. Remember, it's not just about numbers, it's about building trust. Be transparent and unbiased. Frame the data in a way that is easily understood and actionable for your clients' needs. Offer personalized advice based on their individual circumstances. Finally, make it engaging. Use stories, visuals, and a conversational tone. Conclude with a clear call to action. Let's discuss how this impacts your buying or selling strategy. Mastering market updates positions you as an expert. Subscribe for more quick tips, and let's make you the go-to real estate pro in your market.